Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to apply the chain rule to calculate this one. So we have the formula in here. This is the formula of the chain rule. So we can apply this one. Go in here. So we have n that is about number 2. So we put number 2 in here. And we have number 2 minus number 1. So we have number 1 in here. Later that we need to do first the derivative of tan 3x. So this one that is about secant of 3x squared. Later that we need to do first the derivative of 3x inside of tan. And this one we have number 1. So we put number 3 and number 2. We have number 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.